pleasant good morning to my dear children. Welcome back to Maths online class. In the previous class, we discussed properties of whole numbers. Today, we will continue that and let us discuss one more exercise, that is numbers pattern. Children, after this lesson, I will conduct ST, so prepare well of chapter 2 whole numbers. Dear children, send your homeworks regularly and do your homework properly. If you have any doubt, contact me. In the previous class, we discussed properties of whole numbers. What are that? Commutative property, closure property, associative property, distributive property. Okay? What are that? Commutative property, closure property, associative property and distributive property. Do this. Page number 21. Do this. Verify the following. Look here children. 5 into 6 in one bracket into 2 equal to 5 into 6 into 2. First one, 5 into 6 into 2. 5 into 6 into 2. First one, this one. 5 6 are 30. 30 into 2. 3 2s are 6. Remaining 0 right here. Okay. 32s are 60. Next, 5 into 6 into 2. Okay. 5. 6 2s are 12. 12 5s are 60. Both are same now? Yes. That's why, therefore, 5 into 6 into 2 equal to 5 into 6 into 2. Okay. This is the multiplication is associative property over whole numbers. Associative property over whole numbers. Next, second one. 3 into 7 into 5. 3 in 7 into 5. 21 into 5. 5 1 ja 5. 5 2 ja 10. 1 not 5 we have to get here. Okay. Next. 3 into 7 into 5. Okay. 3. 7 5 are 35. 3 5 are 15. 3 3 are 9. 9 plus 1 10. Both are equal now. So, 3 into 7 into 5 is equal to 3 into 7 into 5. Right? Okay. This is the multiplication associative over all numbers. A into B into C equal to A into B into C. Okay. Examples, page number 22. Right? Find 196 plus 57 plus 4. So, 196 plus 57 plus 4. Okay? 196 plus 4. 196 plus 4 plus 57. This is associative property. Okay? (57) plus 4. Okay, this is commutative property. What is this?
Commutative property.
This is commutative property. So, 196 plus 4, 200 plus 57. Total is 257. This like we have to use properties of whole numbers. Next, second example. 5 into 9 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Find. Okay. So, given number is 5 into 9 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Okay. Look here. Here 2 2s are there. 5 into 2. 2 2s are there, no? 5 into 2 into 9. Next 2 into 3 into 5. 2 2s are there, no? 1 to right this side, 1 to right this side. Next in this 5 into 2 is there in one bracket, remaining 9 into, here also 5 into 2 is there, no? 2 into 5 into 3. Okay, 2 into 5 into 3 or 5 into 2 or 2 into 5, both are equal. 5 into 2 into 9 into 2 into 5 into 3. 2 5s are 10 into 3. 10 9s are 90. 10 3s are 30. 9 3s are 27. Remaining 2 zeros, right? First you have to arrange this all. Here 2 2s are there. 2 2s are there. So 1 2 right here, 1 2 again right here. 5 into 2 right in one bracket into 9. 5 2s are 10. 2 into 3 into 5. 2 into 5 right in one bracket into 3. Why? Because when we multiplied 5 into 2, we have to get 10 now. When 10 is into 10 into 9, multiplying very easy, no? That's why. 2 into 5, 10. 10 9s are 9. So 9 3s are 27. Remaining 2 zeros right here. 2700 answer is. Use the commutative and associative property to simplify the following. First, 319 plus 69 plus 81 using commutative property. 319 plus 81 plus 69. Okay. Next, 319, 81 right in one bracket. 319 plus 81 right in one bracket plus 69 one bracket. 8 plus 1 9 10. 300 is big number, no? That's why. Okay. Now 319 plus 81 equal to 400 plus 69 is equal to 469, right? 400 plus 69. 319 plus 81 plus 69. 319 plus 81. 9 plus 1 10, no? 319 plus 81 right in one bracket. 69 remaining. 319 plus 81 equal to 400. 400 plus 69 equal to 469. Associative property, commutative property. Next, 431 plus 37 plus 69 plus 63. Okay, this is the 4 numbers given. So write this first. 431 plus 69. 9 plus 1 10 becomes 0, no? So take these two numbers in one bracket. 431 plus 69 plus 37 plus 63. Right? 37 plus 63. Because 9 plus 1 10. 7 plus 3 10, no? 0 will come very easy to add. Setting very easy to add. These are associative property. 431 plus 69 equal to 500. 37 plus 63 equal to 100. 500 plus 100 is equal to 600, right? Next, 2 into 71 into 5. Okay, 2 into 71 into 5. So, first 2 into 5 into 71. First, we have to write 2 into 5, one bracket. 2 into 5 into 71. 2 5s are 10 into 71. 71 ones are 71, remaining 0. Very easy to multiply. When we are arranging in associative property or commutative property, we have to find out very easy to getting answer, right? Next, 50 into 17 into 2. Which two numbers we have to write in bracket? When we add 5 into 2, 0 into 2, 0. This is very easy, no? 50 into 2 into 17. Okay, 50 into 2 into 17. 5 2s are 10, 0. 50 2s are 100 into 17. Okay, 1700. 1700. Answer is 1700. This is the do this. Page number 22. Do this. Patterns in whole numbers. We shall try to arrange numbers in elementary shapes made up of dots. A line, a rectangle, a square, a triangle. Every number should be arranged in one of these shapes. No other irregular shape is allowed. Okay? Whole numbers can be shown in elementary shapes made up of dots. Every number can be arranged as in whole numbers, every number can be arranged as a line. The number 2 is shown as, this is number 2, 2 dots. Okay, 2 dots. A line. Number 3, this is 2, 3. Number 3 shown as also this like 1, 2, 3. Right? Next, number 6 can be shown. How to show number 6? For suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 6 can be shown as a rectangle. Right? 2 columns, 2 rows, 3 columns. 2 rows, 3 columns. Number 4 or 9 can be arranged as squares. For suppose 4 is there. 4. How to arrange square? 1, 2, 3. Now, everyone open your textbook page number 26. Try this. Which number can be shown as a line only? Which number can be shown as a line only? Every number can be shown as a line. Every number can be shown as a line. Okay? For suppose 1 dot, 1 line, 2 dots, line, 3 dots, line, like that. So every number can be shown as a line. Second one, which numbers can be shown as rectangles? Which numbers can be shown as rectangles? For suppose answer 6. 6. How to write 6? 2 into 3. Okay, 2 into 3. 2 into 3. 2 dots, 3 dots. So 2 into 3. 2 into 3. 6, no? This is rectangle. For suppose 8. 2 into 4. 2 into 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many dots are there? 8. So 2 into 4 dots can be shown as rectangle. Okay? Can be shown as rectangle. Next, 10. 2 into 5. Okay? 2 into 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many dots are there totally? 10. 2 into 5. Also shown as rectangle. Okay? This like. Next, 12. Which number can be shown as squares? Which number can be shown as squares? The perfect square numbers what are? That all are can be shown as squares. What are that? 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, so on. Okay, the perfect squares, these are perfect square numbers. 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. Each perfect square number can be shown on squares. Okay, can be shown squares. Which numbers can be shown as triangles? Example 3, 6. Next, 3, 6. Next, 10, 15, 21, etc. Okay, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21, etc. can be shown as triangles. Right? Now everyone open your textbook page number 26, exercise 2.3. Here pattern given. Pattern. This is the pattern. How to use patterns? Patterns guide to us simplifying the process. Process is very simplifying when we are using patterns. So first study the pattern. What pattern given for us? First study very well. Observe carefully. Then you have to do it next pattern. Okay? 1 into 8 plus 1 equal to 9. 1 after number 2. 1, 2 into 8 plus, so what will come? 98. 1, 2, 3 into 8 plus 3. Here 9, 8, 7. Here one more number increase. Here also one more number increase. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4 into 8. 3 become here 4. Okay? This is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is here next number? 5. 5. 5 digits is there. In answer also 5 digits. Okay? Next, find out next 4 patterns after this. Here 1, 2, 3, 5. Here 5 digits and number 5. Answer also 5. Okay? Here 4 digits. 4. Answer also 4. Observe that. First, next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 into 8 plus how many digits are there? 6. Answer also 6 digits. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Is it clear? Right. Next pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 after 7 into 8 plus 7. Okay, here 7 digits now. Here also 7. So answer also 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. How many digits are there? 4 plus 3, 7. Okay, right. Next pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 into 8. Here 8 digits are there now. Plus 8. In answer also 8 numbers will come. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Right? How many digits are there? 4, 4, 8. Here also 8. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 into 8 plus 9. Okay? 8 same as it is all patterns, only this number and one more number increase here. Okay? So answer we have to get here 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. These are the 4 answers. Next 4 patterns of this given pattern. Right? Next, when you complete the answer, you have to study the following very well the given pattern. Next, study the pattern. Second one, 91 into 11 into 1 equal to 1001. 91 into 11 into 2 equal to 2002. 91 into 11 into 3 equal to 3003. Just think, what is the next pattern? 91 into 11 into 3 after 4. So, we have to get answer is 4004. Right? Study the pattern and complete the next 4 steps. Complete the next steps. 91 into 11 into 5. So, here we have to get 5005. Right? 91 into 11 into 6 equal to what we get? 6006. Because here multiplier 6, no? That's why. 91 into 11 into 7. 7007. 91 into 11 into 8. 8008. Okay? They are asking next 11 steps. Okay? 91 into 11 into 9. So 9009. 91 into 11 into 9 after 10. So 10, 0, 0, 10. Right? This like we have to get. Next step is next 7 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? This like we have to find out patterns. Next, try the pattern for 143 into 7 into 1. 143 into 7 into 2. Try the pattern for. Look here. 143 into 7 into 1. 143 into 7 into 2. Here 7 ones are 7. Let's observe this. 143 into 7. 7 3s are 21. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 2, 30. 7 ones are 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 1001 here come. Next, 143 into 14. Because 7 2s are 14, no, that's why. 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 1, 17. 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Next, 143. Add this to 2, 10, 10, 2. So, right, what answer we have to get? Here 143 into 7 into 1 equal to 1001. 143 into 7 into 2 equal to 2002. What is the next pattern here? 143 into 7 into 3 equal to 3003, right? Next, 143 into 7 into 4 equal to 4004. 143 into 7 into 5 equal to, here 5 is there now here, so we have to get 5. Patterns are very useful to us. Why? We can see shortcut to multiply a number of the patterns. When we observe this shortcut methods of multiplication, no, that's why. Okay. Next, fourth one. How would we multiply the numbers? 13680,347, 3570,2369 and 2569,2359 with 9 mentally. What is the pattern that emerges? Here one number given for us, that is how many digits are there first? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 digit number with 9 mentally. So here 9 is there. 9, how to write 9? 10 minus 1, right? When we write that, very easy to do it. Pattern, complete pattern, very easy. Look here children, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore. Look here children, this number 13680,347 into which the place of 9 we have to substitute 10 minus 1 because 9 equal to 10 minus 1, no, that's why. So 10 minus 1, right? 10 minus 1. 13 crore 6,80,347. This number is read as 13 crore 6,80,347 into 10 minus, look here, 13 crore 6,80,347 into 10 minus 13 crore 6,80,347 into 1. Okay, 13 crore into 10, 13 crore 6,80,347 into 1. So separate this like. Okay, when we multiply it by any number 0, one more 0 only add. 13 crore 647 into 10 equal to any number, same number only, no? 347. Now subtract these two, very easy, no? This like when we arrange this like very easy to do it. 13,680, 3,470. Okay, now subtract 13,680,347. Now subtract 7 becomes 6, 10 become 10 minus 7, 3, 2, 1, 3, 10 minus 8, 2, 1, okay, 3, 2, 1, right? So what answer we have to get? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, right? Very easy. Now we have to separate 10 minus 1. Okay. After that, very easy to separate multiplication, then subtract two numbers. What we get next? This number 357,02,369 into 9. This number also we have to write the place of 9. 9 equal to 10 minus 1, right? We have to substitute that number. 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1. Next. Which is the place of 9? We have to substitute here also. 10 minus 1. This number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 number, 8 digit number. Okay? 3, 5, 7, 0, 2, 3, 6, 9 into 10 minus 1. Right? First, this number multiplied by 10. After that, minus multiplied by 1. Okay? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore. This number read as 3 crores 57 lakhs 2,369, right? First, multiplied by 10, because 10 minus 1 there, no, into 10 minus 3 crore 57 lakhs 2,369 into 1. When we multiply any number by 10, we have to get one more 0 only, no? Okay? 23690 minus any number by 1. We have to multiply any number by 1. We have to get same number. 35702369, right? Now subtract these two. 3570. This is a less numbers, no? 35702369, right? Minus 10 minus 9, 1. Here 8. 8 minus 6, 2. 6 minus 3, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. 2 minus 0, 2. Okay? Again, take borrow. 10 minus 7, 3. 6 minus 5, 1. Okay? 5 minus 3, 2. Write down 3. So, what we get here? 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. This is also one pattern, no? Here 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Next, third one. 9, 2, 3, 5, 9 into 9. Okay? That also 9 minus 9 equal to 10 minus 1. Which is the place 9? You have to write 10 minus. This is number also multiplied by 9. No? Which is the place of 9? You have to write 10 minus 1. Okay? Write your homework book this problem. Third one. Okay? Complete our exercise 2.3. Homework. This is the homework. Right? Everyone do your homeworks regularly. Na? Whole numbers chapter completed. So everyone prepare well. Whole numbers chapter. Short 1 o'clock I will send question paper. Get ready. God bless you. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you all.